Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to reduce PDF file size without losing quality. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to reduce PDF file size without losing quality. Okay, I have this PDF file. What you need to do, just go to this website www.adobe.com, and it's completely free. After that, click PDF and e-signatures and then click compress PDF. Now just select the file and here is the PDF. Double click and then here you have three options. Okay, I will just you have here high and medium and low. Okay, I just will leave it here with high, and here is the best conversion. After that, click compress. And here you can see the PDF has reduced it from 1.44 MB to 1.06 MB. After that, click download. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to reduce PDF file size without losing quality. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.